Super everyday from everyday girls. If you didn't know you could wear a mini dress with flares. Hey. Hey y'all, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to my channel. I am finally back with another video after 2 days. I feel like once I'm away from y'all for like longer than a day, I'm like, I miss my subscribers. So today, you guys, I'm going to be styling this cute little simple slip dress that I actually thrifted like 2 years ago, you guys. And I was in this really like DIY type of a mood back then. So I had like bought this slip dress. I bought a t-shirt with this man on here, which you see on the front. And I decided to cut the man out of the t-shirt and then sew it to the slip dress. So that is what I did here. As you guys can see, I hand sewn it all around. I like that he was wearing a little suit in the picture, and I feel like this nightgown is of course in this satin material, which automatically makes you think of like more of a formal look or just formal aesthetic. I did not do it perfectly. As you can see, the man is a little scrooshed on one side and the stitch isn't even going all the way around, but I am no genius. I am not a tailor. Didn't go to design school, none of that. So this was just all done with me having fun. So why not? It's quarantine, goddammit. So without further ado, you guys, let's get into how I styled this little mini dress. All right, you guys, getting into the first look of me styling a little mini dress that I designed myself. I chose to keep it nude because if you look closely at the man's face, he has a little bit of nude. Well, he's like Asian, so he's like lighter skin, and I feel like his skin looks really nice with the nude blazer that I have. And also these little nude Valentino heels that I got from Barney's a couple years ago. Y'all already know I got a really good deal. And I feel like this look is super cute for like daytime because I am wearing nudes. So I feel like nudes are just more appropriate for during the day. So that was my thought process with this look. And I feel like it's really cute. It's really sexy. I love that the little birds and my Valentinos again match the dress. I went between wearing it on my shoulders and also having it like through my arms, but I just like the look of it on your shoulders because it just looks really like effortless and shit. So that was my thought process for the first look. And also, as always, I would love if you guys let me know your favorite looks from this video down in the comments. 1, 2, or 3. Let me know. All right, y'all, getting into this second look. I chose to wear a black blazer because I feel like it looks really, really nice against this deep purple color that this slip dress is in. And I feel like this is really sexy, really pulled together for a grown woman nighttime look. And I chose to pair with my little Prada shoes to bring in a little bit more fun, a little bit pizzazz. I mean, it's nighttime, you are with whoever, you want to have a good time. So you want to look fun and approachable to get down, baby. Get down, baby. Also, my Prada heels have the same colors that's in the dress. So I feel like it definitely complements. And of course, you don't have to wear the blazer, but I always think like nighttime is always a little bit of a chill to me at nighttime, especially if you get on the subway or an Uber and they want to blast the AC. I feel like it's always good to have like a cute little blazer or shawl or something like that. And yeah, I feel really cute and pulled together for this look. Personally, I feel like this is definitely my fave. Y'all know I have been trying to find fits for these Prada shoes. So super happy that this actually works. All right, guys, so for this last and final look, I decided to give a more casual, everyday spin to a mini dress. And no other way to do that other than pairing it with a pair of flare linen pants. I feel like some of y'all may have known something like this was coming because I have worn something similar to this on my channel with another slip dress. But I feel like it looks really cool. I feel like if I'm just going out to run errands or to the grocery store, because I like to be cute when I go to the grocery store, this is such a cute little look. And of course, I just paired it with my little Birkenstocks because y'all already know, especially if you follow me on Instagram, this has been my go-to shoe every day since I've gotten them. I like can't believe it is such a versatile shoe. Like, I should have been caught these like a long time ago. And a little update as to how my Birkenstocks are doing because I've had them almost a week now. I have a blister on one of my feet. I feel like that'll eventually go away. I feel like I'm still in the breaking in process. Like I have them on now and I feel like that area is not as sore as it has been the past couple of days. So hopefully that doesn't stick around for too much longer because it's a little uncomfortable. This is definitely a look that I feel like I would be more gravitated to wear on my like everyday. As I said, I would like run errands in it. Super everyday from everyday girls. If you didn't know you could wear a mini dress with flares. Hey. All right, y'all, so that actually sums up this video. Those are 3 ways that you can style a mini dress. Be sure to let me know what you guys' favorite look was from this video down in the comments. I really want to know. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.